Assessing progress in English. Exploring language exchange programs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving deep into an engaging and highly effective way of assessing your progress in English learning, participating in language exchange programs. We'll discuss what they are, why they're beneficial, and how you can use them to assess your English progress and keep your motivation up. So, let's jump right in. Language exchange programs are platforms where you can interact with people from different linguistic backgrounds. They provide an opportunity to practice your English speaking and listening skills in real-life contexts. These programs might pair you up with native English speakers learning your language, creating a mutually beneficial learning environment. You learn English from them, and they learn your language from you. It's a win-win. Language exchange programs offer several benefits. Firstly, they provide you with practical, real-world language exposure, giving you the chance to listen to native speakers and mimic their accents and pronunciations. Additionally, they facilitate cultural exchange as you interact with people from different backgrounds. Last but not least, these programs can be a fun way to make new friends, adding a social element to your language learning journey. Language exchange programs can act as an excellent tool for self-assessment. Here's how. Conversation flow. As you communicate more, pay attention to how the conversation flows. If you're able to express your thoughts clearly and understand your partner, that's a sign of improvement. Accent and pronunciation. Notice the evolution of your accent and pronunciation. Are you beginning to sound more like a native speaker? Vocabulary usage. How's your vocabulary growing? Are you using new words and phrases that you've learned? Confidence level. Ultimately, confidence is key. If you're feeling more comfortable while speaking English, that's a huge step forward. Celebrating your progress is crucial to keep your learning momentum going. Recognize your small victories, such as learning a new phrase, improving your accent, or having a successful conversation in English. Keep the feedback from your language exchange partner in mind. Positive feedback can be a great morale booster. That's it for today's video on assessing your progress through language exchange programs. Remember, learning a language is a journey. It's about gradual improvement and constant practice. Keep using language exchange programs and monitor your progress. You'll be amazed by how far you've come. Until next time, happy learning, and keep celebrating those victories.